Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Tech Help Guys. So for today's video, we are going to help you in creating a checkout page on WordPress. So very quickly, what we want to do here is we want to go to our website, visit site, and then click on edit site right here. And now what we're going to do is just double click on this until the block inserter comes out. Oh, let's give it a moment. Okay, go. So again, go to visit site, edit site, and then from here, we want to just click on this. Go to block inserter right here. Type in checkout. And here we have two types. You can add a payment to sell your products and services or to receive donations for your website, or you can also utilize Eventbrite Checkout, which is an integrated checkout system for WordPress. So this is what that looks like. Usually when you click on this, it'll appear here on the bottom of the last page. So of course, you can move that depending on where you want it to appear. Here, you just need to paste a link to an Eventbrite event to embed a ticket checkout system. And what that looks like is like this one right here. So as you can see here, this is what an Eventbrite checkout looks like. So it has the event details, of course, the ticket checkout, and the registration or the button and modal as well. And that's it. Hopefully, we were able to help you out on this. If we did, please do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button and follow us for more videos only here on Tech Help Guy.